knowledge is power, y'all. So that's really why I'm ranting and raving and going on these long spiels. Um, so yeah, I started doing just the oils, and then I started getting into like making like salves, which is just or balms, which is just oil and wax, beeswax. Um, and I liked it, but in the summer I was realizing that I was having a lot of heat rashes and stuff from just being out in the sun. And plus, this has been real hot. So, I was like, what can I add to it to basically again help my skin? So I realized it wasn't really moisturizing my skin. It was just like oil is on top, and oil and water doesn't mix. Um, so I moved in to try to make my own lotions. Kind of messed up, but we're working on that. And that's what this video is gonna be: is me attempting to make my own lotion again. Um, but yeah, so in making your own lotions, you need water. The only way you can really truly hydrate your skin is water. So, like, and moisturizers, they have water in them. So, oil alone, it helps, but it's not gonna work in moisturizing your skin. So, the herbs that I have, calendula, lavender, and chamomile, they definitely aid in hydration. They're all basically anti-inflammatories because again, eczema is about inflammation of the skin. So they're all like lavender. You can all drink them in teas. Um, and honestly, you can drink them as tea. They help in relaxing. I know calendula. I think it helps in like digestion as well. Lavender and chamomile help in like calming, sleep, um, menstrual symptoms. They're antimicrobials. I'm not no herbalist, but this is what I learned from Google and just, experience. So, what I would do if I didn't have any oil, I just make it like regular tea, let it cool, and then put it on top of my eczema to see, if it would really help. And it did. So, like, sometimes people just put essential oils in there and it helps a bit, right? But it's something about getting that straight from the lavender to like getting that lavender infused in the oil itself. Something about it just it works better, or it worked better for me at least. Um, so yeah, that's how I kind of started on my process. Now I make my own soaps. Um, and with my soaps, I used these, and this is mango butter, shea butter. I use coconut oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, and of course, vitamin E.